Hey guys, Laura Couture here, and I'm trying to videotape by myself with my arm and do a selfie, and of course my glasses are on, my nails are painted, and I've got this Dollar Tree dollar scarf for St. Patrick's Day. It's the day after Valentine's Day, and I thought, let's get festive already and start this holiday right. As you can see, I'm in my daughter's room, and here is her Christmas tree that I decorate every holiday now. I came up with this idea to go to the Dollar Tree and just start decorating it all year for Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Easter. Why not keep this cute little tree out all year from the Dollar Tree? So I'm going to turn the camera around so you can actually see the supplies, and there will be some photos at the end of this video of the Valentine's Day tree all decorated and now this tree all decorated, so you get to see the final product. Okay, so here is the little mini Christmas tree that I bought for my daughter at Christmas time for $1 at Dollar Tree. And then I purchased this tree skirt at Walmart for Christmas, and it looked like that with the beautiful snowflakes. But all you have to do all year when you want to decorate this tree besides Christmas, you just flip it over and it's white. And they have other ones, or you can use some kind of cotton underneath. Just be creative. You can use anything and any kind of fabric underneath here from Michael's or the dollar store or Dollar Tree. So pretty much everything will be from Dollar Tree, unless you can't find something to go around the tree for the skirt. But this I just flipped over and made it white and soft, so you can use it all year. And at the end of this video, I will show you all of the things, all of the pictures from Valentine's Day that I took of the tree and the final product of this. At the Dollar Tree, I purchased a bunch of these. I don't know if you guys saw these. These were so cute. They're little hats, so decorative. They're very small, the size of your hand. I decorated my nails today. That's also from the Dollar Tree. Dollar green, dollar white. Anyhow, so here is the adorable hat for St. Patrick's Day, and I'm going to use it as a tree topper on top of the tree. Isn't that adorable? Then I purchased 2 packages of these LED, sorry about the glare, LED light strings. They have them for every holiday. They had them for Valentine's Day and hearts. I will show you that tree at the end, like I said. Now they have shamrock, so they're only $1 each. And I purchased the batteries that they sell at the Dollar Tree, sorry. Here they are, Sunbeam. They come anywhere from 8 to 10 a package. You need 2 AA's. For each of these, you need to put 2 AA's in each one. So I will show you that at the end of the final product. They're so easy. You just open up, snap it into the plastic, and wrap these around the tree like lights, like Christmas tree lights, but they're shamrock lights. The only other thing I purchased for this tree, let's see, sorry, I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. These are little gold coins, and they're little pieces of fake money for $1, and I'm just going to put them all over the bottom of the tree, and if there's anything else I find, I'll put it on there, and I will show you the final product. Okay, so here's the final product, and let me tell you, those lights, getting those lights out of the package and opening up the plastic and getting the batteries in them, they weren't so easy to get open, but you know what? You just keep playing with it and you'll get it open. And then once you get the 2 AA batteries in there, you just light them up and wrap them around the tree. And I put the gold coins, that little package of gold coins that I showed you that I purchased, I put 5 on that side, 5 on that side, and 1 in the center for good luck, because 11 is my lucky number, so I put 11. You can do whatever you want. I'm going to see if I can find any little shamrock guys, any little leprechauns to put on here on the side. That would be cute. I haven't seen that. I went to the Dollar Tree today and did not see that, but I wanted to show you on the coins, on each coin in the package, they say something on them, which is really cool. I didn't notice it. I don't know if you guys can see. So there's a shamrock. There's a shamrock on one side. It's really cute. That's what it looks like. And then on the other side of the coin, when you flip it over, you probably can't see that, but it says a 4-leaf clover for good luck. It's really cute. So I have some of them flipped on this side and some of them flipped on that side. Just adorable. And I will look for some, also some of those little leprechauns. Hope you guys like it. There will be some photos at the end of my video. And I'm also making some other St. Patrick's Day surprises, so stay tuned. Before I forget, I thought I would show you it in the dark. Look at how pretty this is. I use this in my daughter's room as a nightlight. So when she sleeps in her bed at night, this can be on all night because it's battery operated, and so nothing's plugged into the wall. And look at how cute that looks at night. It has a nice glow in the room. Just makes it shine nice. So thought I'd show you that. Look forward to my other DIYs. Please subscribe, Laura Couture, and look at my other pictures. I'm going to show some photos at the end of this video. Happy St. Patrick's Day!